Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beer peg easy method. Begin by chilling a clean pitcher and gathering beer, brown sugar, ginger, and citrus. Heat a small pot with water and dissolve sugar and sliced ginger to make a spiced syrup. Let syrup cool slightly, then stir into chilled beer gently to preserve carbonation. Adjust sweetness and spice to taste and serve over ice with a citrus wedge. In this video, I will show how to make beer peg easy method. Measure 1 liter of lager, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 thin ginger slices. Bring a half cup of water to a simmer and dissolve the brown sugar with ginger to create a simple spiced syrup. Allow the syrup to cool so it does not flatten the beer, then combine gently with chilled beer and taste for balance. Quick recommendation and a short ad. If you enjoy practical tips, subscribe and like this video to support more content. On another note, a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs surprisingly well with learning simple, intentional habits like making a beer peg at home. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make beer peg easy method. Start by making a spiced syrup so the sugar integrates easily without grainy texture. Cool the syrup until just warm and slowly add it into chilled beer while stirring gently to keep bubbles. Taste and tweak sweetness or spice, pour over ice if desired, and garnish with a citrus wedge or a thin ginger slice for an inviting finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.